Welcome to Devices Help and Support, your ultimate destination for all things related to the device's setup, troubleshooting and optimizing your tech experiences. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of setting up your TP-Link Archer AX55 Wi-Fi 6 router. From connecting the hardware to configuring the internet settings and securing your Wi-Fi network, this guide covers everything you need to get your home or office network up and running quickly. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Firstly, we start with the unboxing, giving you the cleanest review of the product that what comes in the packet. Inside the TP-Link Archer AX55 Wi-Fi 6 router box, you'll find the router itself, along with 4 external antennas for optimal signal coverage. It also includes a power adapter, an Ethernet cable for connecting to your modem, and a quick installation guide to help you with the setup. So let's start the setup process. First of all, plug the Archer AX55 into a power outlet. Connect the router's WAN port, usually blue, to your modem using an Ethernet cable. Wait for the power and internet lights to stabilize. Firstly, we start with the unboxing, giving you the cleanest review of the product that what comes in the packet. Inside the TP-Link Archer AX55 Wi-Fi 6 router box, you'll find the router itself, along with 4 external antennas for optimal signal coverage. It also includes a power adapter, an Ethernet cable for connecting to your modem, and a quick installation guide to help you with the setup. So let's start the setup process. The quick setup wizard will guide you through the process. First, it will ask for your internet connection type. Dynamic IP, most ISPs use this setting, and the router will automatically configure itself. PPPoE, if your ISP provided a username and password, select this and enter the required credentials. Once the internet connection is set, the router will attempt to establish a connection with your ISP. If successful, the internet LED will light up. Next, configure your wireless network by setting the SSID, Wi-Fi network name, and password. This is the name and password you'll use to connect your devices to the network. For enhanced security, choose a strong password that combines letters, numbers, and symbols. You can also set up separate networks for 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands, or allow the router to manage them automatically. Once you've configured everything, click Save or Apply. The router may restart to apply the new settings. Disconnect your device from the old Wi-Fi, if applicable, and reconnect to the new SSID using the new password. After following these steps, your TP-Link Archer AX55 should be fully set up, providing fast, stable Wi-Fi 6 connectivity throughout your home or office. Now your setup process is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. In case you face any type of difficulty, you are free to contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. Our experts team will always guide you. Thank you so much to watching our video. And lastly, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our your YouTube channel Devices Help and Support. Stay tuned for more updates.